Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2024 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6443. Let's run from the 12th 2022 to the current shape. It has a DXWA 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a DXWA 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent and crease. Right front door 1 wobble. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,